You might have heard whispers in the coin collecting world. Rumors that a small copper-colored German coin from 1961, a simple 2 Pfennig piece, could be worth not just a few dollars, but possibly hundreds or even thousands, and some say it worth millions if the right error is found. Sounds unbelievable, right? Is it truth or not? Well, today we're diving into the story of the 1961 G2 Pfennig coin, a coin that looks ordinary at first glance, but hides a fascinating history and some surprising potential. Watch till the end because the real worth may surprise you. Let's start with the basics. The coin we're talking about was issued by the Federal Republic of Germany, commonly known as West Germany at the time. On one side, you'll see the oak seedling, symbolizing growth, rebirth, and strength, surrounded by the words Bundesrepublik Deutschland and the date 1961. On the other side, you'll see the bold number 2, flanked by wheat stalks, and the word Pfennig. At the top, there's a small letter, in this case, G, which tells us the coin was minted in Karlsruhe, Germany. Now, what about the specifications? This coin was struck in bronze, made up mostly of copper with a bit of tin and zinc. It weighs 3 grams and has a diameter of 19.25 millimeters. Millions of these were minted in 1961, making it a common coin in circulation at the time. So, what's it worth today? For most 1961 G2 Pfennig coins, the value is modest. In circulated condition, they're usually worth less than $1 to collectors. In uncirculated mint state condition, you might see values between $5 and $20, and in some cases, a bit more for certified high-grade examples. A proof strike or a coin in pristine condition could reach $50 to $100 or more in the right auction. But here's where things get interesting. While most 2 Pfennig coins aren't worth much, special minting errors can change everything. Let's look at some errors that collectors would pay serious money for. An off-center strike, where part of the design is missing because the coin wasn't properly aligned, could be worth anywhere from $20 to $100 or more, depending on how dramatic the error is. A double die error, where the date, lettering, or design elements appear doubled, can push values into the hundreds of dollars if the doubling is strong and visible. A wrong planchet error, where the coin was struck on a blank intended for another denomination or even another country, could easily be worth hundreds, sometimes even over $1,000, if authenticated. A clipped planchet, where part of the coin's edge is missing due to a miscut, could also be valuable, often selling for $20 to $100 plus. And perhaps the most exciting, a missing mint mark or a major die break, also called a cut error. If dramatic enough, these rare mistakes could push a coin's value well into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So, can a 1961 G2 Pfennig coin ever be worth millions? Realistically, no. Unlike ultra-rare U.S. coins such as the 1933 Double Eagle or the 1794 Flowing Hair Dollar, German Pfennigs don't have the extreme rarity or historical demand to reach million-dollar prices. But that doesn't mean they're not exciting to collect. With the right error or condition, your small 2 Pfennig coin could still turn out to be a hidden treasure worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars, a huge return for something that might otherwise be forgotten in a coin jar. So the next time you come across a German coin like this, don't dismiss it too quickly. Take a closer look, check for mint errors, examine the details, and you just might discover that your little copper coin carries a much bigger story than its tiny value suggests. And who knows, that's the magic of coin collecting. Sometimes, the most ordinary-looking coins hide the most extraordinary surprises.